Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to identify the name of any object in a picture or on the web using your Android phone. This can be useful if you're browsing the internet or scrolling through pictures and want to quickly identify an object without switching apps. To do this, open the picture that contains the object you're trying to identify. Next, tap and hold the handle at the bottom of the screen for 3 seconds. Then circle or highlight the object you want to search for. As you can see, the object I've circled has been identified as an adjustable wrench. You can also do the same while browsing the web. For example, if I want to identify one of the flowers in the picture, I will tap and hold the handle at the bottom of the screen. Then I'll circle one of the flowers. As you can see, the flower has been identified as a cornflower. It's a simple way to identify the name of any object in a picture or on the web using your Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.